going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel, giving you very homegirl today, baby. What's up? Sign up. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today I created this orange smoky eye chill look. You know what I'm saying? Real homegirl chill vibe. You feel me? And if you want to see how I created this look, make sure you guys keep on watching. So we're going to jump right into this look. So as you can see, I've already threw these eyebrows on, so we're going to be jumping into face today. I'm doing a little good in the face, so we're going to be starting off with primer. And for primer, y'all know Fenty Beauty. Okay, so what is going on, boo? How you been? This week is going good, you know. It's really going good. Like, my mind is good. How about that? Boom. Yeah. I'm gonna jump into the Estee Lauder Double Wear. This is in the color Deep Spice. So why did I hear that the fall season trend for makeup is glowy skin? You know, I'm kind of surprised about that because, to be honest, glowy skin is usually for like the summertime, like that wet look, that kind of like dewy kind of look. And most of the time people like matte. Now me personally, I like matte all year long. Skin is oily, need matte. You dig? And they was basically saying like a lot of things to do to like get glowy skin, exercise, you know, not a lot.
You know, do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
They were saying like, far as makeup, like it's not really good to use wipes all the time on your face. Me personally, I use wipes. I do use wipes, but I also use Vaseline all over my face too. And what I do, I take a bunch of Vaseline with my makeup on and I rub it all in my eyes, I rub it all over. Then I'll take a wipe and just wipe all the rest of the stuff off, but then I wash my face. That's a good way too to keep your face hydrated. Jumping into the Fenty Beauty in the color 350. But yep, that's exactly what I do. And I like doing it that way better because it gets all your makeup off. But I do have to get some of Patrick Starr's. I want to try their makeup remover. So if y'all can try that, try that. So I'm gonna let this dry down just a little bit, and then we're gonna jump into contour. You guys already know what we be doing for the contour. You dig? The chocolate Fenty. Y'all know Riri, my baby. They was also saying use SPF. Even though we have that good melanin, you still should get you some SPF. Oh, my brush is still wet. All right. Just deal with it, just for a minute, y'all. Ooh, ooh. Intermission. But it's a fast one. And also they were basically saying use BB creams. Now, I've never used a BB cream before. I purchased the BB cream and the BB cream was a little too dark for my skin. So, you know, other than that, you know, as far as like glowy skin and stuff like that, they were just saying like use little different like body oils and, you know, stuff like that. They said highlighters too, and y'all know I love me a good highlight, baby. How you doing?
What you doing?
I'm doing my video.
Oh, sorry, y'all.
What you want?
I want to see what you're doing, but hi. Where'd you put me the camera?
Give me a kiss. I love you.
I love you too. Bye.
Bye. That's my baby. So, you know, I was like, oh, okay. We're gonna do a glowy kind of like skin today. Be real highlighted on the skin, you know, just to see. So now I'm gonna just blend that contour in too real quick, y'all. I had to forgot that. Ooh. Oh, why did I read that Jay-Z and Beyonce, they spent $900,000 on this yacht? It was like from a Nigerian guy, and everybody was mad at them for spending $900,000 and was saying like, oh, you shouldn't be spending $900,000. Oh yeah, I'm about to bake because y'all already know, like, if I don't bake, I'm gonna be looking up. And we're gonna be going into the Mad Elf 10. And if you made it this far to the video, make sure you subscribe, baby, and hit that notification bell button, okay? So everybody was like really upset. Me personally, I don't see nothing wrong with it. They're billionaires. They get money. They contribute to their society. They help people. They give out fundings. They are definitely those type of people that you don't see them unless they working. Like, if I got it, what's the problem? I work damn hard for it. And if you working that hard to be able to pay $900,000 for a yacht, The hood almost came out of me, I'm sorry. But what? I don't see nothing wrong with it, you know, but some people, they was feeling a little way because they ain't got it. And I ain't saying that because I love them, because everybody know Beyonce. That's my dream, to dress Beyonce. Lord, manifest it, let it happen, manifest it. I pray in the name of the Lord. Yes, Lord. Beyonce, that's the climb that I'm trying to climb. Okay, so now since we have that down, y'all, we're going to be jumping into eyes. So I'm going to zoom y'all in just a little bit, okay? Hey, how you doing? We're going to be jumping into the e.l.f. Cinnamon Flawless Concealer. Ball on a budget. Because it's flawless for real. And y'all know I gotta be quiet. Y'all know I'm still in high school with them. I'm not in kindergarten. I'm in the 9th grade with my eyebrows. And I'm gonna just blend this out. I'm going to really quick just take a little bit of the Fenty Beauty and just lay a little teeny bit of that on top. And then I'm gonna take this brush and just blend that right over top. I usually get my smaller Real Technique brush, but this brush is doing the job. So we're going to be jumping into this Venus palette by Lime Crime, and we're going to be jumping into this orange right here, and it is called Jam. That's my jam. I'm gonna be taking this brush, little flat fluffy brush, and just stamp that right on my lid. It's October, so I'm not really interested in doing any of Halloween makeup. I'm not really into that, but I do have a video. When I first started doing makeup, I did a video, a Halloween video. I will definitely put it up here below so you guys can check that out. I like costume parties, like fashion costume parties, but I don't really like the devil, and I don't play with that type shit. Plus my boo been talking about an orange eye. So I was like, you know what? All right, girlfriend, I'm gonna do an orange eye. Okay. All right, so now since I have that down, we're going to be jumping into this mustard yellow. And I'm just using that mustard yellow just to blend everything out. And I'm going to be using my M454 brush and just take light strokes, just blend. This is like really coming out really cute. Blend, baby, blend. All right, so now since we have that down, we're going to just jump into that orange just a little bit. Give it some more definition a little bit right here. It's giving me very much like, yes. Make it look good, okay. So I'm about to put this e.l.f. black eyeliner in my waterline really quick. So we're gonna take that same orange, pack that right under. You know that pat motion, baby. And I like doing this because it prevents fallout. We don't want no fallout if we did our face. I'm gonna just take my M507, my favorite brush to use under the eye. And I'm gonna just blend that out. It gets all the nook and crannies. And I'm gonna just take a little bit of that mustard, blend the edges once I'm done blending it in. Just like that. All right, now I'm going to take, oh, no. So now we're gonna jump into this Carnival palette. I love this palette so much, but when I tell you it's big as fuck, we're gonna jump into Splendor. I'm gonna jump on my eyelashes for y'all. I'll be right back. All right, now we have our lashes down. As you can see, I got some like natural lashes. I usually do real thick lashes. We ain't gonna be doing all that thick. We're gonna just chill on the lashes today, okay? More of a natural look, okay? So now we're going to be jumping into my Petunia by Tiana Keller, okay? And we're gonna just be taking this Petunia. Ooh, baby. Nothing like some Petunia. Alright, so now since we have that down, we're going to jump into just a teeny bit of blush. And we're going to be jumping into the NYX Sweet Cheeks. And just tapping that right there a little bit. Alright, so really quick for lip, we're going to be jumping into the Trendsetter by Morphe. Next, we're going to be taking this MAC Purple. I just want to try this. I'm going to be jumping into this Morphe, and this is in the color Chill. And I'll take that and lay that. No, that didn't work. I'm gonna jump into this L, cause I only want. So now since we have that down, okay, we're going to jump into the MAC Dark Deep one more time. Run it by it one more again. And just put this all over your face. Then nobody tell me I forgot to highlight my brow bone. I can't go nowhere without highlighting that brow bone, baby. Highlighting the brow bone is definitely a must, okay? Take a little bit, take a little bit. Then I'm gonna just spray down with my Rose Hip facial spray. So I'm really feeling this look. I'm mad I could not find nothing orange because I really wanted something orange to really like bring this out. So if you are feeling this look, do not forget to smash that like button and also leave me a comment down below. Also, my boo, if you are still here, you already know you need to be subscribing to my channel, period, okay? And also hit that notification bell button too, because I want you to be notified, period, okay? So with that being said, thank you so much, boo, for watching this video. You dig me? Keep God first. You know I don't play about that. And I will see you, boo, in my next video.